Hello and welcome back to our channel Maha Uma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Hello, today I am going to make corn spinach sandwich. For making corn spinach sandwich, the ingredients are bread. I am using brown bread. You can use white bread as well. Green chilies, 2 finely chopped. Some crushed garlic. 1 small onion, finely chopped. Spinach of bunch. I am using palak. You can use any variety of spinach. 1 carrot, finely chopped. Half cup sweet corn, some butter, some pepper, 2 tablespoons cream cheese, required amount of salt. These are the ingredients we need. First thing, heat a butter in a pan. Once it got melted, add chopped green chilies and crushed garlic. Salt well. Followed by add chopped onion and required amount of salt. Saute well until onion gets transparent. Then add spinach, saute well for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add chopped carrot, and cooked sweet corn, mix well and cook for until it becomes soft. Corn and spinach are cooked softly. Add some black pepper. Mix well and switch off the flame. After it has cooled down, for binding purpose I am adding cream cheese, for some more extra flavor I am using grated cheese. Mix well. Now the stuffing is ready. Keep it aside. Take 1 bread and apply some butter on it. And fill the stuffing. Take the other bread and put it on the stuffing bread. Just press it gently and we are going to now toast the bread. Now heat a pan with some butter and we are going to place the bread and toast until it get golden brown. Now flip it over other side and cook until golden brown. The corn spinach sandwich is ready. The same way I am going to make one more sandwich. The corn spinach sandwich is ready. You can see how colorful. Healthy and nutrition rich corn spinach sandwich is ready. I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.